Supervision. What is the other view about over supervision? Ji. Father is the leader of the house. Good. Ji. जी 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 देखिए let me share जी जी See,
it will work, and it's nothing whatsoever illegal or nothing illegal whatsoever. The example is obviously unfortunately other personal.
Chale, let me share with you one personal. No.
Okay, take it on mine. No, let
Ji.
him answer. Let my son answer.
Ji.
He knows the situation.
Ji.
I want to first of all. No, let listen. Hold on. First of all, please don't take it personal because previously sir asked the question who is smoking. So I use this word. If you take it personal, I'm reverting my question like that. If my son is so, then as a leader of the house, and what I should do as a leader, and how I can stop my son or my daughter that he should not smoke and he should not smoke. What type of the matching and the things what should I do? As the previous right is, he is not, my son is not so much educated and he is less experienced, and how I behave with him, over supervise, or should I stop him with control, or how I should educate him, what type of the things should I do
Ji.
as a leader. So I'm trying to ask the question how to manage. This is the style of question in the offices. If a person is on the previous discussion, if a man, if an employee is don't want to do a job and
Ji.
is not level of that, and he is not on that line with
Yep.
or
Okay.
Ja,
I
let
still
me-
have, no, I
no,
still
no.
have to make a request, please.
Ji.
Because the thing was brought down in that manner, in context to myself and my son. I will still very humbly request you.
Ji.
It's our right that
Okay.
the son should speak first before that gentleman's question is answered. Please go ahead.
So actually, I want to expand in his question. The example he gave is irrelevant. I think it was definitely not required. What's been done is done. But I just want to extend his question because I also want to inquire about the same detail. It is commonly said in the Western world that the best worker is a happy worker.
Yes.
And this has also been scientifically proven that if a person is happy, the work that he provides is the most productive. It is more
It is
productive.
said that if you love your job, you have not to work for a single day.
Exactly.
If you love your job, you have not to work for a single day. So that is.
But however,
yeah.
I want to say that from my observations or from my experiences with other people, I have realized that in the business world, there are
Yep.
certain protocols in which a leader cannot have that type of relationship with his employees, and there are I would suggest two types of these protocols. Number one, the employee does not want to upset the leader because the leader is in most cases the boss. So if the leader asks the employee that, are you happy? Personally, are you happy? The employee does not want to upset his boss, so he will say, yes, I am happy. In the other case, what goes on in his personal life, like he mentioned, the gentleman mentioned, at home, maybe he has family problems, maybe he has other problems that are not professionally or work related. So my question is, how does a leader have a personal relationship with the employee in which they can discuss stuff like these matters without the employee being felt inferior
I think.
However, at the
yeah.
same time, the leader does not lose any authority
Sure.
and cannot be taken advantage of by being involved in this kind of relationship.
I think thank you so much. The best way is that whenever we are discussing with senior people, experienced people, and if they are showing some concerns, there are some concerns which, for example, office hours. If he says 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock is too late for me, so there we can have a discussion and we can say, okay, I mean, so that I understand that is bothering you going back home 9 o'clock every day, okay. But there are some other areas also we can reflect only. It doesn't mean that we give our view, positive or negative for that, but we have to listen. And studies show that when we listen only, बहुत सारा गुबार जो कहते हैं ना कि वो खारिज हो जाता है और बहुत ही comfortable situation हो जाती है. Only listening improves the relationship. And going back to a personal, stuff, I tell you, my son, he is studying at Duke University now. He'll be doing his master next month from Duke University on environment management. When he was in class 4 and 5, he was studying at St. Michael's School, and he was not spending 1 hour during the exam days for studying. और we were having botheration कि ये इसका एग्ज़ाम चल रहा है. उसकी बहन रो रही थी कि देखो अब्बू, इसको ख्याल नहीं है इसका एग्ज़ाम है और ये 1 मिनट भी नहीं पढ़ रहा. अब मेरे जहन में एक चीज़ आई कि मैं इसको snub करूं. That was one way. But then I said, if I snub him, he will not own it. If I have to take something out of him, तो मैंने उसे कहा कि Azhar, would you please tell me how you're going to spend? एक पेपर ले लो, मुझे सिर्फ ये बता दो what your day should look like, how you're going to spend your work. क्योंकि उसका ये था कि मुझे इतने घंटे क्रिकेट खेलनी है, इतना ये खेलना है, वो सारा. I said, okay, I mean, you do yourself. He did worksheet जिस पे 4 घंटे खुद ही उसने निकाल लिए पढ़ने के लिए, खुद बहुत. और वो वर्कशीट ली, मैंने उसकी फोटोकॉपी उसके डेस्क पे लगा दी, उसके बेडरूम पे लगा दी. Just that was the only thing which I did, and that worked very well. So in majority of the situations जो है ownership आपने अगर inculcate करनी है तो आपको उनसे ही solution लेना है, आपने खुद pose नहीं करना है. Until and unless most of the times we are posing our decision. But if you just ask them, involve them, उसका result ही बड़ा ही long lasting होता है. And now, mashallah, he got Fulbright scholarship, he got graduation from Lums University. So, I mean, he achieved in his personal life everything. And last year he was declared the best personality, interesting personality of Duke. So it is a major, major achievement. Empowering people to make their decision, but also a little bit, with the guidance, so that the direction is the right, जो हमने बात की थी, can certainly lead our workers and our family members in a much better way. जी. जी. उसमें there is no जी. हाँ. अभी लेटेस्ट में आपको बताऊं, सेल्फ लीडरशिप भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टैली में है. डजंट मीन दैट यू हैव टू सुपरवाइज पीपल ओनली देन यू हैव लीडरशिप. नो, समटाइम्स यू डोंट हैव पीपल बट योर ओन वर्क. आई मीन, आप मुझे बताएं कि आपके सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप चले जाएं, 10 हो, 12 हो या 15 हो, उनमें से एक लीडर आपको खुद ब खुद मिल जाएगा. They are not supervising each other, but there is one leader among those guards also, security guards. आप बच्चों को देख लें खेलते हुए, there is one leader in that small group. तो इसलिए